Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shayoni. I'm a first time mom and I share parenting tips and tricks, also product reviews for both mommies and babies on this channel. So if you're interested, make sure you subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram, and there is the Happily Exhausted Mama. Today I'm going to be sharing with you product reviews of super unders. They were called super unders, but right now they're just called super bottoms padded underwear. If you haven't seen my super bottoms plus Uno review, I will put the link up here and you can check that out. Today I'm going to be talking about another range, which is the padded underwear. So if you want to know more about this, make sure you are watching. So here I have with me the super bottoms padded underwear. So I have a set of 3. As you can see, they are super cute. They are size 1. Now size 1 is for 1 to 2 years of age, and as you can see, they have these nice prints. This one is in white, and this retails for 699 rupees for a pack of 3. You can go for a pack of 3, or you can get a single one to check out, or I think you can also get a pack of 6. So this is like your regular underpants, I guess, but it's padded. So if you see the inside of it, it's got a double layer, or maybe like more than a double layer. There's an insert inside and it's stitched, so it's quite comfortable. It's soft, but because it has got more layers in this region where your child is going to pee, the pee is not going to immediately fall on the floor or wet their clothes or wet your sofa. So that is the advantage of using these padded underwears. Now I wanted to buy them, or I bought them because I wanted to give my child some diaper free time. So he is either in disposable diapers or in super bottoms. So I wanted to just give him some free time from all the diapers, but I didn't want like our floor bed to get messy, or just him slipping in his own pee, which has happened a couple of times. So I didn't want that. So I got these. Is the price point worth it? Well, that depends on how much you use it. Like if you're using these pretty frequently, so what I do is in the mornings he'll go through 3 of them in a few hours. So I have to wash them every day, and if you're washing them every day, they don't dry up really fast because they are padded. Unless it's very sunny, it's going to take more than a day to dry. So then the next day I cannot use this. Then I have to go back to regular diapers or just regular shorts or whatever for him. So these are useful now and then, especially as I said, it doesn't soak the things around him, so that way it's useful. They're a very good quality, so you don't have to worry about them creating any sort of irritation on your baby's skin, so that you can be sure of it. And that's one thing that Super Bottom really promises and delivers on, is the quality of their products. They are of really good quality, and that is why I think their price point is high. And also I haven't really found a good alternative for these padded underwears. And the sizing of this, so this is a size 1, which is 1 to 2 years of age, but I would recommend, because my child is not like he's an average built child, so for him these are tight. Like I will have to stop using them before he turns 2 years of age. So I think, and that hasn't happened with any of his clothes. He always wears a size smaller than he actually is. So I think for this, go for one size bigger than your child's age, basically. And also this is a good diaper to start potty training in. That is what they advertise these for also. So what I have seen is, now that he is 1.5 years old, and I've been making him wear this more frequently, even though I bought these 6 months ago. It was winter in Calcutta, and then I didn't make use of them much. Now when it's summertime, I make him wear these a lot more. I have now, I'm trying to train him to tell me when he wants to pee, and he tells me, and I don't know, because it's because of these, or just in general he's more aware now. So he can tell me, if he has to pee, or if he's just peed, he'll give me that information, which is great, and I'm so thankful. So yes, I think I will probably not even need to repurchase another set of these padded underwears. If you are looking for diaper free time for your child, making them wear something which is soft on their skin, will not ruin stuff around you, then I would definitely recommend the padded underwear. This is a good set to have in your child's basket, just for those days when you don't want to make him wear diapers, but you don't want him to be in just like loose shorts or anything. Also overall, as I said, great quality, lovely prints. They look brand new, right? I've been using them and I've washed them so many times in the last 6 months, but they look pretty good. I think they look nearly the way they looked when they first came in the wash, when they first came, before being washed. And so I wash them with detergent powder. Make sure you do not wash any Super Bottom products, any reusable diapers in liquid detergent. So I wash them in normal powder detergent, and as I said, it takes time for them to completely dry up, but once they are ready to be used, and they are something that is comfortable, that is definitely better than just wearing your regular shorts or your regular underwear. Padded underwear is obviously one notch higher than that. So if you want to invest in these, go ahead, maybe just buy a few, as I said, as a backup, or if you want to just explore this option. Overall, this is a hit or a miss, like it depends. Would I recommend this? It's not an absolute necessity. Would it be good to have? Yeah, sure. So with that, my review of the Super Unders is over. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any other questions, please write down in the comments below. You can also follow me on Instagram, DM me there, and there is a Happily Exhausted Mama. I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care of yourselves, stay at home, stay safe, and bye bye.